Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy braided updo in just 2 minutes. To start, we're going to section out the crown area of the hair and just tie this into a low ponytail at the back of the head. Then use your fingers to pinch and pull for a little bit more texture and volume. Next, section off the right hand side of the head from about an inch behind the ear forwards and leave a little bit of hair out to frame the face. And then we're just going to do a regular 3-strand braid, angling it towards the back of the head. Apply some texture spray, I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then use your fingers to pinch and pull that braid for more volume. Then secure it with a clear elastic band. And we're going to take the same size section on the left hand side and repeat the steps. So make your 3-strand braid, angling it to the back of the head, apply your texture spray and pinch and pull. Don't forget to secure it with an elastic band. With the remaining hair, all I'm going to do is just split this directly in half, and again we're going to create another braid all the way down to the end, adding your texture spray and pinching and pulling. Then just repeat the same steps on the last section of hair. So do your 3-strand braid, pinch and pull, and secure everything with elastic bands. Now we're going to take the braid on the bottom right hand side and I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath, and I'm going to bring it up diagonally left, just to left of the little elastic band, and secure it with as many bobby pins as needed. Then we're going to take the braid on the bottom left hand side, again tucking your ends underneath and bringing this up to the top right hand side. Secure this braid all the way around the outside using as many pins as needed. Then we're going to take one of the side braids, so I'm starting with the right, bring it over the top of your bun, tuck your ends underneath and secure all along that braid with a few pins. And then we're going to take that last braid, again bring it over the top of the bun, tuck your ends under and secure to the head. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.